Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will do lesson 10 water, page number 80. Page number 80. Topic is sources of water. Sources of water. कि हमें वाटर कहाँ कहाँ से मिलता है, कैसे मिलता है. सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर. ओके, वी नो दैट वाटर इज वेरी असेंशियल. यू हैव रेड इट ऑलरेडी. असेंशियल मीन्स नेसेसरी, जरूरी. फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल. सर्वाइवल मीन्स फॉर आवर लाइफ. हमें जीने के लिए वाटर बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. ओके, let us try to understand what are the different sources of water. Read it again. We know that water is very essential for our survival. Let us try to understand what are the different sources of water. Okay? The main source of water is rain. Main source of water is rain. You can underline this line. If I will ask you what is the main source of water, so you can learn this answer. The main source of water is rain. It fills the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. When it is raining, then rain fills the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Some of the rainwater goes into the soil. Soil. Soil means मिट्टी, जमीन. ठीक है, उसमें से कुछ वाटर जहां पर सॉइल होती है, जो कच्चा होता है, जहां पर ग्रास होती है, वहां से अंदर चला जाता है, जमीन के अंदर चला जाता है. आप देखते हो ना, बहुत सारा वाटर होता है, फिर धीरे धीरे वो अंदर चला जाता है. वी डिग वेल्स. वेल्स. वेल्स कुआ. दिस इज वेल. यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज वेल. वेल. ओके, वी डिग वेल्स एंड द ट्यूब वेल्स. दिस इज ट्यूब वेल. दिस इज ट्यूब वेल. To get water from under the soil. The water that goes inside the soil, we get that water from tube well and well. Tube well and well. Okay, we dig wells and tube wells and then we get that water back. Okay, now we will read it again. The main source of water is rain. It fills the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Some of the rainwater goes into the soil. We dig wells and the tube wells to get water from under the soil. Okay? Some water goes directly to the river or lakes, but some water goes into the soil, and then we dig wells and tube wells and then we get water from the soil. Okay, now we will read the names of the sources of water. First of all, this is the main source of water, rainfall. It's raining. Rainfall is the main source of water. River. River, there is also water. Stream. This is stream. Stream. Tube well. Tube well. 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 And lake. Lake. This is lake. Water tank. Water tank. Okay, water tanks are in the cities. Okay, First of all, we gather water in these tanks, and then we get water in our houses from these tanks. Okay, we will read the names of again: rainfall, river, stream, lake, tube well, lake, water tank. Okay, now drinking water. Drinking water. Water from rivers, ponds and lakes may not be clean and safe for drinking. The water which is in rivers, ponds and lakes, that is not clean, because some people wash their clothes there, some animals take bath there. So this water is not clean. Water from rivers, ponds and lakes may not be clean, is not clean, that is dirty, always dirty, and not safe for drinking, that is not safe for drinking. We should not drink water from rivers, ponds and lakes. The water from its source is first made free from germs at water treatment plant, and then it reaches the taps in our homes. When this water collect in water tank, then it is made free from germs. We put medicine and germ killer medicines in tank. Okay, and then the water reaches the taps in our houses. First of all, we do treatment of water. We kill germs of water, and then the water reaches the taps in our homes. Okay, in the tanks we put medicine to purify the water, to make it clean, to make the water clean. We must always drink clean water. We must always drink clean water. We should not drink dirty water from rivers, ponds and lakes, etc. Dirty water can make us ill. Dirty water can make us ill. Ill means बीमार. Dirty water से हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. Okay? We must always drink clean water. We should not drink dirty water. Dirty water can make us ill. Okay? We must either filter the water or boil it before drinking, especially during the rainy season. First of all, we should filter the water and boil the water. Then the water becomes clean. After filtration or after boiling, water is safe for drinking. So we can drink that water. So we must filter the water or boil the water before drinking, especially during the rainy season. When it is rainy season, then water is very dirty. At that time, in that season, in rainy season, we should clean the water by filtration or by boiling the water. Okay, so first of all, before drinking water, we should check it is clean or dirty. We should drink only clean water, no dirty water. Okay, dirty water can make us ill. Okay, now you will read page number 80 and these 3 lines. You will read it properly and you will try to understand and you will learn it. Okay, thank you.